Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela Braniff. Sorry for the very weird filming location in my bathroom. It probably sounds really strange. We will get it together. We just moved into this house and this is the first grocery haul in the new house. Now, we have a lot of work to do because we have to basically refill all of our pantry staples. So I am gonna have a video coming up about that. And this house didn't really come with sort of a standard pantry, so I've had to get really creative and utilize cabinets in the kitchen as a pantry for right now, so I can't really fit that much in there. So I really wanted to do a full grocery haul where we're refilling all the staples, but that's gonna have to wait for the next one. So for this video, I'll share with you guys the meals that we are gonna do for the week as well as the grocery haul. So I'll talk about that in a second, and then I am gonna have coming up a laundry room pantry makeover where I'm gonna share with you guys how I am reworking things to create a pantry. We're gonna redo all that together. I'll have a video about that, and then we should be able to do a really fun restocking staples kind of a thing, because when you move and you have a span in between your old house and your new house, it's kind of difficult. You end up having to throw away a lot of stuff, particularly refrigerated stuff, or get rid of or give to a friend or give to somebody who wants it type things. So we ended up passing on quite a bit of food. I was really bummed. It really stinks to have to get rid of a bunch of stuff that you know you're gonna use and love and eat and all of that, but there's just nothing to do with it because you have no way to move that much refrigerated items. So that was a bummer. But I'm really excited, y'all, because now that we're here, we moved into this new house, we are going to be focusing on creating a food storage pantry, and we're going to be working on creating that sort of emergency food storage that we've talked about before, like the 3 months at least. Eventually, I want to build a root cellar. There's all kinds of stuff I want to do here, so I'm very excited to just kind of begin sharing. We're just going to start small. Today's just a little grocery haul, a little meal plan. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of what's to come and some of my plans and stuff. So soon we will be doing a little pantry makeover and then restocking staples kind of a video as well, and lots more food content. I know y'all been missing the food content. That's coming back, I promise. My husband and I love doing the food content. It's definitely going to be coming back very, very soon, so stick with me. All right, let's get into the meal plan and the haul. All right, here we go. This is our first Kroger haul. We don't usually shop at Kroger because we didn't have one back where we used to live in Charlotte. We have got here some big old Honeycrisp apples. I got 3 red onions because I love red onions just for even eating. I like them fresh. They don't have to be cooked. I just love red onions. A bag of yellow onions. I got some brioche style bread for making French toast. Some grape tomatoes for snacking and for a recipe, a new pasta recipe I'm gonna try. And I've got some cucumbers here, again for snacking as well as for a dish. A green and red pepper. I saw this and I just thought, that looks real nice. That looks real tasty. Maple bourbon bacon chopped kit. I love these chopped salad kits when they have bacon in them. I can't remember the name of the one that I like, but it has bacon and sesame seeds and it is magnifique. Love it. But they didn't have it, so I tried that one because it looked just as delicious. Then I've got some plain Greek yogurt, which is for a recipe, and then vanilla Greek yogurt for the eaten. Cottage cheese, which again is for a recipe. And then baby spinach, which is both for recipes and eating. Some Eggland's Best eggs. Just decided to give this one a whirl again, this old Nature Valley protein. This is what I used to eat by the pound when I was pregnant with the twins. I haven't had it in a long time and I used to eat it in this yogurt and it just looked good. No, I'm not pregnant, it just looked good. Then we've got some beanas here. A big bag of shredded cheese, this cheddar jack one. And then I also got a Mexican style blend as well. And some Parmesan. This is the freshly shredded cheese. Some basil, again recipe stuff. Some home style meatballs. Again, so much of this stuff is stuff I would have bought in much larger quantities at Costco, but I just did not make it out of town into the other town where there is a Costco. I will open in 1 minute, okay? Yes, I will open in 1 minute.
some penne pasta. I got 2 boxes of that. 2 boxes of rigatoni here. We've got 2 packs of cream cheese. And then I was so excited to see that they carry pancetta because some grocery stores do not. And so this is a staple around here for our carbonara. So 2 boxes of that, or cases of that, or whatever, little thingies of that. These were on sale, so I got 2 boxes of these. The Pike Place, which is what my husband likes. And of course I could not resist the pumpkin spice. So I got those. And then some pretzels. We have really enjoyed, Ivy loves to just eat these, but I wanted to get these because we have really enjoyed pretzels with Nutella. And I thought the pretzel rods would be delicious with Nutella. Now, I did buy quite a bit of this type of stuff because we had to unfortunately get rid of a lot of our refrigerator staples when we moved because of the timeline of our move and stuff. So I was very bummed about that. So we're just gonna have to kind of slowly start replenishing things that we use regularly. But I got some vinaigrette and then some Parmesan cheese, some minced garlic, some sesame oil, some sesame ginger dressing, as well as some honey mustard. I also got this delicious looking Caesar, the kids' favorite yum yum sauce. And I got some rice vinegar as well as some soy sauce and some chicken broth. So that helps us just kind of get started on a lot of the recipes that we make. We're usually using something from here. Some potatoes. Again, these are just such small portions compared to what I usually buy at Costco, but you know, you make it work. And then because, well, moving, I got some of these. So they were only 120 calories. Nothing artificial, I mean, really. So anyways, I got some free and clear laundry detergent. We usually use pods, but we have different washer and dryer here, and the liquid seems to work better in it. So we'll see, just giving that a whirl. And then 2 things of this because it was on sale, 2 for $5, I think. I love this half tea, half lemonade. I should probably just learn how to make it really well so I don't have to buy it. And I don't usually buy it, but I've just, in the last couple weeks with this move, have really just become addicted to drinking this. So yeah, should probably cut that out at some point very soon. But this is our first grocery haul in the new house and our first grocery haul from Kroger. So exciting times, huh, Rue?
Yeah.
You're thrilled? Are you gonna help me put it all away? All right, let's do it, sister.
All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this little meal plan and haul. Very simple. We, like I said, have just moved in, so we are just very much focused on house stuff and outside, so we're just trying to keep meals really simple right now and easy, but we will return to more food sharing content and stuff like that soon, and getting all the makeover stuff done for the pantry and the laundry room. I'm very excited. So subscribe if you've not already, and that's it for today's video. I will see you all again very soon. Bye.